3號強風信號生效。喺下晝1點，強烈熱帶風暴蝴蝶集結喺香港之西南偏西大約480公里，即係北緯20.9度、東經109.8度附近。預料向東北移動，時速大約22公里，橫過雷州半島。蝴蝶已經喺雷州半島登陸，按照現時嘅預測路徑，蝴蝶會橫過廣東同廣西交界一帶。同蝴蝶相關嘅強風區會喺今日剩低時間至聽朝影響珠江口一帶。本港有狂風驟雨，離岸同高地風力間中達到烈風程度。蝴蝶會喺聽朝喺本港西北大約300公里左右掠過。3號強風信號會至少維持到聽日中午，除非蝴蝶喺內陸維持較高強度並採取較為接近珠江口嘅路徑，否則改發8號信號嘅機會甚低。雖然星期1同2蝴蝶已經遠離同消散，但係活躍嘅西南氣流會為廣東沿岸帶嚟大驟雨，市民請保持警惕。海面有大浪同湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊，停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個鐘，昂坪、青洲同赤鱲角分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時73、57、47公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時108、75同72公里。
The strong wind signal number 3 is now in force. At 1 p.m., severe tropical storm Wu Tip was estimated to be about 480 kilometers west-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 20.9 degrees north, 109.8 degrees east, and is forecast to move northeast at about 22 kilometers per hour, moving across Lei Zhou Peninsula. Wu Tip has made landfall over Lei Zhou Peninsula. According to the present forecast track, Wu Tip will move across the vicinity of the boundary of Guangdong and Guangxi. The strong winds associated with Wu Tip will affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary for the rest of today and tomorrow morning. Locally, there will be squally showers. Winds will occasionally reach up to gale force offshore and on high ground. Wu Tip will skirt around 300 kilometers to the northwest of Hong Kong tomorrow morning. The strong wind signal number 3 will remain in force at least until noon tomorrow. Unless Wu Tip maintains a higher intensity over inland areas and adopts a track closer to the Pearl River estuary, the chance of issuing the gale or storm signal number 8 is rather low. Although Wu Tip will depart and dissipate on Monday and Tuesday, an active southwesterly airstream will bring heavy showers to the coast of Guangdong. Members of the public should stay on the alert. Seas are rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nong Ping, Green Island, and Chek Lap Kok were 73, 57, and 47 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 108, 75, and 72 kilometers per hour respectively.